Kids love Play-Doh. I'm going to show you how to make it. The recipe is shown in the video description. I like that the flour gets cooked so kids aren't playing with raw flour. Start by placing the flour in a pot. Add the salt and then the cream of tartar. Give it a stir. Now you'll add the water and vegetable oil. Cook on medium heat, stirring almost constantly. Continue stirring until the dough has thickened and begins to form into a ball. And don't worry if you feel like it's forming lumps, it's just the dough that has already cooked. It'll start getting difficult to stir, and that's how you'll know it's getting very close to being done. It's all done. Time to turn off the stove. Next, divide the dough into 2 balls if you'd like more than one color of dough. Make a hole in each ball and add food coloring. Seal up the hole and knead the ball until the color is fully incorporated. I wear gloves during this step so the color does not dye my hands. The first ball is complete. Ready for the second ball. All done. Time to play. Store it in an airtight container. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.